Yes, hello everyone. This is me, Dominic again. I'm back with another video. As I told you earlier, I will be here to guide you on how to operate a computer to do many things using a computer. Like I said in my previous video, in this video, I'm going to talk about Microsoft Word, how to use Microsoft Word and the features inside the Microsoft Word. Basically, as you can see my home screen, there is still nothing. I'm going to begin with how to open Microsoft Word and to begin using it after. I will just come here and I type from the search toolbar here. I can search from here or I can look for it from the Windows button. I will type MS Word. Just put MS Word and the computer will just know automatically that what you are searching and it will bring for you and you tap on it. Like for me, let me put here MS Word. As you can see, mine is here MS Word 2016. For other people, it is MS Word 2013, but mine is 2016. I will click on Open, and it will automatically open for me the app. Now let me wait for it to load. It is still loading to open. And if I refresh it to move a little bit faster, MS Word, come on. Yeah, as you can see, that it is opening now. I'm going to wait for it patiently to open before I begin typing anything and guide you how to use MS Word. This MS Word performs a basic number of operations. You can type your letters using MS Word. You can edit a book using, you can edit many things using MS Word. You can type invitation letters. You can design your, it performs a number of operations. Now let it first open before I begin. It's still opening. Be patient. Your patient pace. Let me just wait. Yeah, as you can see here, it has opened and it has given me a blank document. I'm going to tap on it where I've seen there's a blank document, and it will just automatically take me to the to my working window. Like from here, let me type. Oh, what should I put? Let me just give you. Okay, as you can see, I've already opened my MS Word. These are all features we are going to use to enable us enjoy using this MS Word. Let me put my name and I show you how to use MS Word a little bit briefly before I go into details. Like I have typed my name here, Nyako Dominic Emmanuel. Yeah, this is it. Uh, Let me type here down just any word, Gulu University, Gulu University, University. Yeah, I have typed those two words. Okay. Now let me begin it using those features there. Let me first increase the the size of the words. Let me first highlight it all. Come here, let me put 25. Since 25 is not there, let me put 24. 24 can be viewed by everyone. Yeah, and then we begin changing the font character. Let me change the font character to make the words appear a little bit nicer. Let me put this one here. If you want to bold it, there is a feature. You can either use Control. You first highlight the word like this word is already highlighted. I press Control plus B, and it gets bolded just automatically after pressing the Control key. And also bold this name here. And bold the name. Control plus B, or you come up here where you are seeing B. Among the features up here where you are seeing B, you tap on it and you will get it bolded. Now there's another feature here. Let me tap on it. Yeah, this is for underlining. If you want to underline a word or a text or a document, you come on it, you click, and there is a drop down arrow next to it. This drop down arrow helps you to select the type of line you want it to appear. Like for me, I want a double line. I will click on it and it will give me a double line. Even for the next words, I'm going to highlight it first and I click on it. I get a double line and it is there, a double line. Yeah, and there's also another feature here. If you want to change the color of the document, you look for where there is a, you tap on it at the side and you change it to any color you want. Any color you want, you tap on it. The next one is, let me first begin with how the layout of my page should appear. I come to design where I'm seeing design. I come here where I'm seeing the page color. I click on it and I select how the color of the page should appear. Let me put this one. I think let me put this sky blue. Yeah, this is a little bit nicer. Yeah, let me put inside the page borders. You click on where you are seeing page borders. Let me put the box page borders, and I come here. I select how I want it to appear. Let me put a thick line. Yeah, and I click on OK. Automatically, you will see the page border there. That's how those are few features I've taught you how to use this MS Word. The next, I'm going to drop them in my next videos. This is just basically for introduction of what a computer can do. Now this video was only about MS Word. In my next video, I'm going to teach you I'm going to talk about research and other things will come after the next video. I have not talked fully about all the features of MS Word, but I just only wanted to select a few to guide you through. The next ones we are going to get in my next video during the learning course. I will teach you all the features what MS Word can be able to do and how to edit your text using MS Word, how to edit your documents. All I'm going to teach you. For now, let me stop here. I love you all my YouTube viewers. See you in my next video. Thank you.